Thinking of getting some outdoor speakers? Well, here's what you'll need. Everyone's experience is going to be a little bit different, so make sure you consider all the factors before committing to anything. Patio size, number of speakers, speaker color, audio connections, and budget are all going to be things to consider when it comes to the speakers themselves. The size of your patio is one of the first things to review when designing your new system. We've put together a few examples for you, so let's take a look at the average patio. Small patios are about 7 by 7 feet, which typically have room for a small bistro table and 2 chairs, whereas medium-sized patios are about 12 by 14 feet, which typically have room for a full picnic table and 6 to 8 chairs. For both the small and medium-sized patios, 2 6.5-inch speakers are a great starting place. Placement for your speakers could look like this, or like this. Large-sized patios are about 16 by 18 feet, which typically have room for a set of lounge chairs, a couch and a coffee table, even a round table for 4. For this type of patio, 4 6.5-inch speakers would be a great starting point. Placement for your speakers on a patio like that would look like this, or perhaps this. Now that you know how many speakers you need, let's talk about which type of speakers would be best for you. If your patio is concrete or brick paver style with landscaping around it, a rock or pendant speakers like the Dayton Audio white or black versions of the WP65 speakers would be great options. If you have a wood deck or patio with a pergola, wall mount speakers like Dayton Audio's IO65 XTB speakers or their IO655 WT speakers would be great choices as well. Once you've made your decision, you'll need to run the speaker wire. Check the speakers you chose to find out which speaker wire gauge you will need, as well as what you might need to connect the wires. Think about if you're just running the wires, hiding the wires, or even burying the wires. But when running speaker wire outside, we recommend using a direct burial wire in the appropriate gauge. Even if you're not burying the wires, the direct burial wire has a UV-rated outer jacket to protect it from degrading. All of these wires will run to your amplifier, which will need to be weather protected. That could be a weatherproof faceplate running into your home or garage, or even a weatherproof container which allows you to leave everything outdoors. But let's talk about the amplifier. When choosing the right one for you, it's important to know how many speakers you're going to have, power, and price, but also how your audio will connect to it. If you're looking for amplifiers with Bluetooth capability, the APA102BT or the DTA 2.1 BT2, both from Dayton Audio, will handle up to 4 6.5-inch speakers. Bluetooth or not, we have many other great options for amplifiers available all on PartsExpress.com. Outdoor speakers are not that complicated to install, but they can make all the difference for movies, parties, cookouts, or even enjoying the outdoors with a book. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your new outdoor sound system.